Welcome. It is Saturday morning, April 17th. I just woke up, had some breakfast, checked out the chart here, and Dogecoin has taken a hit. Now, what's happening with Dogecoin? Everyone's talking about Dogecoin. Everyone's talking about Dogecoin going up, and honestly, a lot of the reason it's going down is probably because a lot of these videos that we are seeing and a lot of these people talking about Dogecoin and a lot of the articles that are coming out about Dogecoin are all fairly say negative. Honestly, here's what happens in the market, right? I'm just going to pop up webull here just a second. So here's what happens in the market is people, in order for these stocks or these cryptos to increase in value for you, for the number to go up, people have to buy it, right? That makes sense. So it's hard for the crypto or the stock to continue to rise when there's constant sell pressure or scare tactics. Now, there's no real reason for you to scare someone into selling it, but with Dogecoin especially, or any crypto, because it's not helping anybody out by doing that, right? Oh, it's going to burst. Well, maybe. Look, if everyone held at 45 cents, it'd probably still be somewhere in the 40s. But they didn't. They sold it. And that's partly due to influencers or YouTubers or articles or people on the radio or the news saying, well, this is going to burst. How high could it go? Look, remember this. They said the same thing when Dogecoin hit 8 cents. When Dogecoin hit 8 cents, everyone said, oh, this is crazy. Get out. You got to sell it. You know, it'll never hit 10 cents. I can't tell you how many TikTok videos I've seen of people saying it'll never hit 10 cents. Oh, it'll never hit it'll never do. Look, you don't know that. They don't know that. But if they keep telling people that it's never going to hit 10 cents and people keep selling Dogecoin and not buying it, then yeah, it's never going to hit 10 cents. But if you held your Dogecoin from like a penny, less than a penny, hell, even 2-3 cents, and you had a good bit of money into it, and it went to 40 something cents and you sold, took out all your profits, I would like you to make a video or a response or type a comment on even on this video and just let people know exactly how much money you didn't make on Dogecoin. And this is relevant because a lot of people just made a ton of money, and you can make a lot of money trading these, but you can't make money being scared to trade them. So should you buy it, hold it forever? I'm not saying yes or no to that. What I've said before in my previous videos, you should trade it. It's at 26 cents. I've seen it down today so far. I'm just going to look at the 5-minute chart. 22 cents, up 4 cents. 4 cents, like I said, doesn't seem like a big deal. If I gave you 4 pennies and told you just to hold them and maybe eventually it would turn into 4,000 pennies, you're probably going to take those 4 pennies and leave them on the street where you found them. But if I gave you 40,000 pennies, and then in 5 minutes later you had 60,000 pennies, you might be a little bit excited. So, what's Dogecoin going to do? Over the weekend is usually kind of the go time for the Bitcoin market, because the crypto market, because the actual market is closed and people are bored. People who trade stocks regularly are bored. They want to watch it. Look, let me tell you something right now. This chart right here is addictive to watch. It's as addictive as any casino you could go to. You watch it go up, you watch it go down. You watch it go up, you watch it go down. You bet on green, you bet on red. You bet on green, you bet on red. You pull your money in, you pull your money out. So it's a casino that just ever changes. And what makes it change are a lot of people. Look, there was rallies for sure. People, everyone's going to buy Doge at 9 p.m. No, everyone's not going to buy Doge at 9 p.m. And even if everyone did buy Doge at 9 p.m., it's not going to $1. But there has been a giant influx in money that went into it. Now, here's what happens. Every couple minutes, I'm going to Google it. I'm going to Google the stats so I don't mess it up. How often Bitcoin produces Dogecoin production, let's see, rate. How about that? I want to say it was like 10,000 a minute or something crazy, right? Let's see if I can locate it here. It's not telling me. Yeah, it's not really saying here what the rate is. But I want to say that I heard it was like 10,000 coin per minute, right? Which is a lot. So as we keep making it, there's no cap, right? It will just forever be made. But at some point, we could actually buy more Dogecoin than exists, right? We bought more than is available. That is possible. It is possible to consume 100% of it, even though they're consistently making it. But we have to buy faster than they make it, which is a tough ask, right? I mean, let's just say, for instance, it was 10,000 a minute. We would have to buy how much? 26 at the moment, $2,600 worth of Dogecoin every minute would have to be bought. That's not currently being held in order for us to even make it above that supply and demand. But once it does do that, the price goes to the moon. So what should you do with the Doge? I bought some Doge. Look, I've got a total. I will be completely transparent on this. Let me just pull it up. I'm going to pull up on my Voyager here and just flash phone, so I don't want to go through all that screen grab mess. But this is where I stand on Doge, right? 651, 651. See that? Now, I bought an average price of 37. Okay, because I've just been trading it. Then I went to sleep, woke up, it's at 27. So it's just going to sit there. That's what's going to happen with it. It's going to sit there for a bit. And maybe if I see a big, a little bit of an uptrend, I'll sell it and then buy a dip again and just continue doing that. But that was one day. I'm not really going to sweat it over that. So if you're out there wondering what you should do with Doge, don't listen to me, but don't listen to anybody. Do what you think is right for you. Don't put all of your life savings into it. A lot of people got rich, but those people bought in way before 26 cents. Way before 45 cents. Most of them bought in below 5 cents or below a penny. I know a couple people that owned Doge when it was below a penny. And it really just is going to, at this point, it's going to come down to a numbers game. How much do you actually have? So, moving forward, I'm excited to see what happens with this. And, we'll just do a follow-up maybe later today and see where it went. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you're going to invest in the other coins as well. Bitcoin's down 2% at the moment. So, it's just kind of a subtle pullback. I'm not concerned about it one bit. If you had like $100,000 in Doge yesterday and you woke up today and now you have like $55,000 in Doge, just wait it out, I guess. I don't know, man. That's still a good bit of money. But you guys do you. Check out TMF Apparel USA for some swag. I'll maybe make some Dogecoin shirts today. That sounds like a good idea. And print some up. Today's shirt of the day I'm wearing right here. Boom. Hammer Forge Fitness. So my buddy Jacob did Hammer Forge for a little bit. I think they're going to try to make a comeback with it. It kind of got jacked by the pandemic. But check out the gear on the site. Leave me a comment. Leave me a like. Hit the subscribe button. And I'll catch you later.